Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. This is Trucker Rudy, if you didn't know who you were watching this morning. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. We would love to get up to 6,000 subscribers. That would be so cool if you guys could help me get there. We are currently in Albert Lea, Minnesota. We're just getting our day started. I hope you guys had a good night's sleep. If you're watching this first thing in the morning, it is a beautiful morning up here today again. It really is. We got basically 567 miles to go up to Winnipeg. I don't know where this guy is planning on going. At least turn on your signal light if you want to go somewhere, you know. Come on. Alright, he's mad. He's giving me the number one. Oh, he's coming out. Yeah, he's coming out. Alright guys, be prepared for a mad boy. Good morning, sir.
What are you going to order me for?
Well, you could have at least turned your signal on which way you're going.
I'm in a fucking parking lot, bitch.
Oh, yeah? Doesn't matter.
Do you turn signal on in a
Yeah.
fucking parking lot?
Yeah, I do. So that way I let the other drivers know which way we're going.
I'm coming to a parking lot going to the fuel line.
Well, I don't know that, right? You could have been going that way, right?
Then why are you trying to pass me if you think I'm
Well,
going toward the exit?
You're going really
'Cause you're
slow.
a fucking bitch.
Alright, well, you'll be on YouTube anyways.
Get out of the truck, bitch.
No.
Come on.
Why?
Come on. Get out of the truck.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
You gonna be a big badass and blow your fucking horn. Come on.
Why?
I'm standing right here.
Well, I'm right here.
You gonna be a pussy ass bitch and get the fuck out of the parking lot.
Well, you have a good day, sir. Yeah.
Come on.
No,
Come on. Get out.
no,
Come on.
no.
You gonna sit up there behind that steering wheel, big coward little bitch.
No.
Yeah, the fuck you are.
Yeah, some people, right? They want to be a big boy. Yeah, he could have, really, he could have turned on the signal light. I don't know which way he wants to go, right? Yeah, there we go. Hold my horn at him one more time. Some people always want to fight, eh? Not me. He tried to pull on my door, but no, well. Anyways. Some people, yeah, I don't know. I ain't gonna get into a fight. It's not worth it. Not in my opinion. Yep. Anyways. Yeah, in my opinion, he should have used a signal light, right? Like, let us know which way he wants to go, right?